Pasensya na po, nalito ko. Hindi na po mauulit.
This is English class, so you should speak English.
Sorry, ma'am.
Like an endless storm, chasing a mystery. Is there in your heart? Does your body drop and tell you to stop loving you, loving me?
Good morning, class. Sorry I'm late. Class, who remembers our previous lesson?
Me.
Yes, Mr. Manzanillo.
Ma'am, bottle verb po.
Okay, very good. What is essay, everyone? Sige nga, turuan na kita. Ito, di ba kasi maganda ba?
Opo, ma'am. Thank you po. Gets ko.
To be
Wala na akong pera.
the sun is sure to shine for you.
Ma'am, unang ko po talaga ng langit. Thank you po.